Like it next to me like this.
Okay, that's fine. Oh, here we go. Okay, if we can get in here. Okay, there's a button on one side and some thread on the other. You just take the thread
Make it look difficult.
and you wrap it around the button and just tuck it under, and then it stays. It's all tucked in and it stays for the day, and it's all comfortable on there, and it adjusts to the size of the wrist that you need. The other way you can do it is to, when you first get your ruffle cuff, is to take it, and this point where you would wrap it around, you can take this point here, and you can tie a little knot there. Just to go ahead and wrap it around and tie a little bow, and then you'll have a little loop there. Then you'll know where to place it on your cuff from there on out. So it's got a little loop there. And then we can go ahead and put it back on. Just slide it over the button when you go to put it on. It's got a little bow there. There you go.